Every morning, before the sun rises, thousands of people step into the industrial world. Some chasing survival, some chasing opportunity, some simply trying to make it through another day. I grew up watching this reality closely. Factories moving, machines running, people working hard every single day. Yet, behind the operations, there were gaps. And somewhere between the long walks, industrial noise, and observing how operations moved every day, I started asking myself a question. What if operational intelligence was accessible in real time? What if maintenance, reporting, accountability, and visibility could exist in one connected ecosystem? I did not come from unlimited opportunities, so instead of waiting for one, I decided to build one. That vision became the EABC, a centralized operational intelligence platform designed to support real industrial workflows. From maintenance management to asset tracking, inventory systems, breakdown analytics, reporting, and operational visibility. EABC was built to transform manual operational processes into intelligent systems. But this was never only about software. It was about solving real problems, creating visibility where there was uncertainty, building systems that empower operations instead of slowing them down, and proving that innovation can come from the very environments where people are struggling hardest to create better futures. This is only the beginning.